So this is going to be Brandon and some of the words he says. Brandon. Ooh. Ooh. Can you say, wow? He's been talking a lot this morning. Let's see if he'll keep talking for us. What's this? What's this? Dog? Is that a dog? What's a doggy say? Woof, woof. Brandon? Dog. Give Mama the doggy. Thank you. Woof, woof. Here I come. Dog. Brandon, can you do this? Dog. Ooh, wow. Where are you going to put your doggy? Where are you going to put the dog? Okay, give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Thank you. Let's put the doggy down here. Here goes the doggy. Watch. Come over here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Look it. There goes the doggy. He's going over the edge of the bed. Come on. Ooh. 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 You want to see the baby? The book? Ooh, the baby's sad. Sad. There's the dog. I'm going to push the doggy over the edge. He knows it's dangerous by the edge. Whoa. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Brandon. Uh-oh. Can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Where's doggy? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's the dog? Come over here. Is the doggy down here? Come here. Where'd it go? Where's the doggy? I found him. Uh-oh. Dog, there he is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you say, uh-oh? Uh-oh. Okay. Come give Mommy a kiss. It's got your book. You have your book. Come here. Come on. Come here. Bring your book here. Can you copy Mommy? Watch, go. He's copying. Brandon. What's on your hand? Nothing's on your little hand. That little hand. Grab Mommy's hand. Oh, look at that little fingers. Okay, give Mommy kisses. Come here, little stinker. Come here. Watch. Give me a kiss. Come here. Come on. You want to get off the bed? Come here. Bye-bye. 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 Brandon. Bye-bye. What's he gonna do? Opening the door outside. Oh. Oh, let's go see. There's his slide. It's all wet. Yeah. Oh, you think you can slide down, huh? Oh, look at that. Look at you sliding down. Now he's not sure because on the couch he can get down real easy. I gotcha. Come on. Oh, you did it. Oh, he wants to go outside. You want to go outside and get wet? All wet out there, Brandon.